model, 2017 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 TDI non-runner engine seized 112 miles Euro 6 No Vat bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 112,565. MOT, the 11th of February 2026. Engine, 1598 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, non-runner, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, wind-up windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear.